In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a person to an item in Monday.com. This is a simple but very useful task, especially if you want to keep your board organized and make sure every item has a clear owner. Assigning a person helps everyone on the team understand who is responsible for what, and it also makes tracking progress much easier. To get started, open your Monday.com board. Once you're inside the correct board, take a moment to locate the item or row where you want to assign responsibility. This is important because the assignment will be connected directly to that specific item. Next, look for the plus icon used to add a new column. Click on that icon to open the column options. This is where you can expand your board and include the exact type of information you want to track. In this case, you'll be adding a column specifically for assigning people. When the column menu appears, use the search bar and type in people. This helps you quickly find the correct column type without scrolling through all the available options. Once you see the people column appear in the results, click to add it to your board. After the people column has been added, go to the cell in that column for the item you want to update. Click inside the people cell to open the assignment options. You should now see the list of available team members connected to your workspace or board. From that list, select the team member who is responsible for the item. Be sure to choose the correct person so the board stays accurate and useful for everyone involved. This is especially helpful when multiple people are working on different tasks, and you need a clear overview of ownership. Once you've made your selection, save the change if needed, then check the cell to confirm that the person has been assigned correctly. You should be able to see their name or profile indicator displayed in the people column for that item. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a person to an item in Monday.com. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review assignments regularly so your board always reflects the most current responsibilities. Keeping this updated can improve communication, reduce confusion, and help your team stay on track.